I have a seafood recipe for you today that has shrimp, a little feta, and a little bit of crushed tomatoes in there, and it's only going to take you 30 minutes to make. Hey, it's Lisa, and today I'm making a shrimp with tomatoes and feta. Super easy, great for the weeknight. Let's just start this thing. I like to get everything prepped before I get started, the mise en place, as they call it. Everything in its place. So let's start with this Italian parsley. Let's get this cut up. You want to make the parsley pretty fine. Nice fine chop. I'm going to prep a couple of cloves of garlic. A little bit of green onion. Sorry, my hands are wet, but oh well. And I'm using the green part too. I'm using all of it. Okay, so we're ready to get started with this. I have my shrimp, they've been peeled, they've been deveined, and I removed the tails. So I've got the pan going, it's getting heated up to medium-high heat. I also have the oven on so we can get it at 450 degrees because at the end when I put the cheese in, I want it to melt and just cover all of that good shrimp. Yum. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the shrimp in and season them with some salt and a little fresh ground black pepper. I'm going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes. And there's about a pound of shrimp in here, and they were medium sized. So I'm going to transfer the shrimp into this baking dish. And just put those on the bottom. So I'm going to set the shrimp aside, and in the same pan, I'm going to add the remainder of the olive oil that I had and add in my onion. I'm going to reserve a little bit to sprinkle later. And I just want to saute this a little bit. And all that shrimp goodness is in there. Take advantage of that, all those little bits. And my heat's on medium. I don't want it to be too hot. I don't want it to burn. And I'm gonna add in the garlic and let that cook for about a minute. We don't want to burn that. And now I'm gonna add my sauce in. And these are just chopped tomatoes. Add a little salt and some more pepper. We're adding some oregano, a little cayenne pepper, and a little bit of the parsley that I chopped up. So I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for a bit. My lid's a little bit too small. No, it's a little, yeah, small. I'm going to say that one more time. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer. The lid is too small. Don't mind me. Just let this simmer for 5 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, I'm going to crumble a little bit of feta because we're going to put this on top of the shrimp before we put it in the oven. I'm using organic feta. Oh, that looks good. So the sauce is ready, and I'm just going to pour it over the shrimp. It's not a lot of sauce, it's just a little bit, but the flavor, you're gonna be happy. And we're just gonna spread that around. And now for that yummy feta, I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top. Don't be shy. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 450 degrees to warm everything up. Remember, the feta doesn't really melt. Out of the oven, and I'm gonna top it with some freshly chopped parsley. I would serve this with a simple salad, just a basic vinaigrette and some crusty bread. Dip away, it'll be delicious. If you like this recipe and want to see more like this, check out these, and I will see you in the next video.